Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make infographics with Piktochart. First, head over to the Piktochart website. Once you are on the Piktochart website, create an account. Once you have created an account, you'll be brought to your dashboard. From here, you can select Infographics, and you'll see hundreds of different templates that you can use to create your infographics. If you would like to create a new one, click Start from Blank, and then you can create your own design. Or you can get AI to create your own. And now from here, you can see all the different things that you can do. You can change any text, any of the icons. You can add your own icons, illustrations. You can add some 3D images to your infographic. You can also add any photos that you like. And then on the side, you can change text. You can add some design components. You can add some colors, charts, anything basically to your infographic. There is unlimited creativity with Piktochart. Once you've spent some time customizing your own infographic, head over to Save to make sure you save it, and then click on Download. Choose if you'd like it as a PNG or PDF possibly, and then choose your quality, and then click Download PNG. As I am on a free plan, I only get 2 downloads, so you may need to get more if you need to download multiple different infographics. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.